What? That nigga's tripping.
Let's make some spacey chords that will get all the emo girls to fight over you. I hear that these days all the women love the piano, so we have no choice but to use it.
About to go to bed. I know we couldn't Skype tonight, but that's alright. Good night, girl. I'll see you tomorrow.
Now let's work on the drums. We now need an 808 that can hit harder than an earthquake.
No. No.
Oh, hell no!
Let's hear how the chords and drums sound together. It's finally time to work on Speed's vocals. Hopefully he doesn't false copyright this video, because if he does, then I'll have no choice but to be a terrorist.
I would like to be a terrorist.
God is good. God is great. God is good. Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? I like 15-year-old girls.
Auto-tune, compressor, EQ, reverb, and last but not least a delay.
Shit, I'm tweaking, bro. Tweaking, bro.
MK. God is good. God is great. God is good. I like 15-year-old girls.
How old are you?
I'm 16.
Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? I like 15-year-old girls. I like.
MK.
Oh shit, I'm tweaking, bro.
Got him. We fucking got him.